Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad, to take a look at your next 7 days, which incorporates the upcoming weekend. We're also now moving our way into the latter part of November. High temperature normals, and right now in the Ohio Valley in the middle 50s, certainly jacket weather, and the average nighttime lows down into the middle 30s. So how do we stack up here on our Saturday? Well, we're looking at pretty much a normal day temperature-wise throughout most of the eastern half of the country. Very cold there in the Rockies. Now that's on your Saturday. On Sunday, we're starting to see a little bit more of a warm-up right here in the Midwest in response to the next system. So anyone right in this area in the southern plains working its way into the Midwest, we're going to have a pretty nice Sunday with temperatures above normal. That would put us somewhere in the 60s. Now by Monday, the warm-up really starts continuing here as we'll see a nice warm southerly flow of moist air out of the Gulf of Mexico. There's that next system. It's going to be a doozy. There could be severe weather in this area, and I will show you the precipitation map along with that system here in a little bit. But in the meantime, you're going to see winds increasing, warmer temperatures working their way into the Ohio Valley. Now here by Tuesday, you see that thing racing up towards the north. That's where most of the energy is going to be associated with it. There's the frontal system ahead of it. Warmer temperatures, very cold air there into the Rockies. By Wednesday, that cold air really starts working its way right here into the Midwest. Those of you in the high plains, it's going to be very, very chilly, very cold right out of central Canada. But the warm air will work its way towards the east, of course, towards the Atlantic seaboard. Here on Thursday, the cold air well entrenched. We could be looking at some lake effect snow, certainly along the Great Lakes. Notice these white dashes. It's also going to be a very breezy day. High temperatures are going to be in the 40s for most of us right here in the Ohio Valley, 30s and 20s up to the north, which is going to put the wind chill factors down into the 30s. So Thursday is going to be a very, very wintry type of day because there will be some showers around as well as possibly even some snow. By Friday, the cold air is really in place. Again, kind of a breezy, cold day across most of the area here in the Ohio Valley. That cold air certainly works its way towards the east as well. Now, as far as precipitation is concerned, this is on our Saturday. Dry across most of the eastern half of the country. As you can see here, there's that next another system up in the high plains producing snow and some very nasty wintry type weather up in that area. By Sunday, that system moves across the northern tier of states, not really affecting us most here in the lower 48. We do see some showers around Texas, but you can see a nice warm southerly flow of air. Those of you in the west coast, seeing a pretty good system move in on your Sunday. Here on Monday, here comes that system out of the Rockies. Look at it, nice little comma shaped. We could be looking at some severe weather associated with this system. But by Tuesday, notice what happens. The energy moves up towards the north. There will be showers right here in the Ohio Valley, stretching its way down along the Gulf Coast. Now look what's going on down in the Gulf. This is Tropical Storm Sarah. This is on Wednesday, on Tuesday rather, and we're seeing quite a bit of activity here. The system itself is right around Mexico, and it's going to be torn up. This is what's going to be left of it. There will be some showers and some gusty weather associated with it as it moves towards the east. For those of you in Florida, again, this is on Tuesday, and these are the showers that you see right there in the Ohio Valley. And there's going to be quite a bit of snow. It could bring quite a few inches of snow to the high plains here on your Tuesday. On Wednesday, you can kind of see here, again, another shot of some colder air with some precipitation in the Ohio Valley. We could be looking at some showers, some snow showers with it as well. That's what's left of Sarah moving on into Florida. And you see the white dash lines, again, gusty winds, cold air working its way southward as another very strong system approaches the Pacific Northwest. On Thursday, that system kind of hangs around a little bit, more showery activity, could be some snow showers as well, certainly along the Great Lakes. I think you're going to be seeing quite a bit of snow for there. Then we see a break, and there's that next system there off the west coast, and that starts moving its way in, but it's going to take its time moving across the country. This is on Friday. Again, it's not going to be a very nice day by next Friday, but by the weekend, the Midwest, next weekend, it should be cleaning out just a little bit as far as cloud cover and precipitation, but it's going to be a little bit on the chilly side. So the bottom line is, if you're thinking about putting up some Christmas lights over the next couple of weeks, you may want to consider doing it this weekend. I'm George, the Weather Dad.